presenting a very big space available on long lease, especially for big hospitals. You can see this junction. There is McDonald's over here. This is the main junction of Mira Road. Mira Road is a city which is developing like a king place. You can see this main junction, the metro banners. The metro train will be passing from here. This is the main Mira Bhayandar highway. There is first floor, second floor. The both floors are on long lease. The entry is from the ground floor. It is a big space available on long lease, especially for hospitals. All the doctors are mostly welcome to take a visit and start your own hospital over here in this main junction of Mira Road. Don't step back. See this full video. A very good space available, and it is also with a joint 2 BHK from the first floor. So it is immaculate. A big space available on long lease. You can check it out anytime. This is the main junction of Mira Road. You can see all the public traffic going around. So it is the best place to open a hospital. So let's start. This is your whole structure. This is your entry, the ground floor entry. You can see this entry. You can make over your reception, your guest waiting area over here. This is a very good place. Let's go more inside. This is your common washroom below for guests. You can see this washroom too. You can make according to your taste. This is the whole area of ground floor. Now let's go up on the first floor. This is your stairs, private area to go up, private stairs. Let's go up. This is the kitchen. Before it was a cafe, so this is a kitchen space. You can change according to your taste. Whatever you wanna do, you can do here. It is available on long lease. Now let's go. This is your first floor entrance. A big space, very big space. You can see the Mira Bhayandar highway too from here. It is a very big space. It is like a L shape. You can see your highway, the metro banners. The weather is too good. The old busy road of Mira Road. See that? Very good space, very good place for hospitals. All the doctors, open your eyes and come fast. This is the washroom. You can see the washroom too. This is your washroom over here. Spacious washroom too. Your Mira Bhayandar highway again. Let's go inside. This is your entry from which we entered. This is one more space on the right side. This is also a good space available here. Yes, this is a private room. This wall, we will break this wall. There is a 2 BHK flat behind this wall. This wall will be fully breaked, and there is a 2 BHK flat behind, so it becomes more big from here. So we have a 2 BHK flat from here. You can get that into also. So it is a very good space also. From here, a 2 BHK flat will be joined once anyone finals it. This is the whole first floor place we saw. You can see again. I'm showing everything again. A quick view. That is your Mira Bhayandar highway whole view. This was a cafe before, but as it has stopped, so it is going on rent. You can see everything again. This was your first floor. Now let's go up on the second floor. The light is dim because it is very much. This is your kitchen. Due to lockdown, many rats have chewed the wires. So let's go up on the second floor. This is your second floor. This is a very big floor. You can see this. Wow, a biggest floor. This is your biggest floor. This is very big. This has 2 dimensions, one on the right, one on the left. We'll see everything. First see this. This is a very big space. We entered from there. This is your area. You can see everything. You can make this according to your taste, according to your hospital. It's not compulsory giving only hospitals, but you can take for any commercial use too. You can see this. This was the main reception of this cafe. Very brilliant cafe. Very good interior done. This is your second entry. This is your first. This rectangle piece has one more rectangle piece, same like the opposite side. You can see this whole place. Wow. This is also a cabin over there. Lights are dim due to lockdown. Many wires have been diffused. Now let's see everything. This is one more cabin. Now let's go right. This is your. Now let's see this. Here all lights are dimmed because of lockdown. All wires have been diffused, so sorry for that inconvenience. You can see the Mira Road highway. This is the whole Mirabandar highway. We are on the second floor. We saw the ground floor entry. We saw the whole first floor. This is your second floor. So it is ground entrance, first floor, second floor, and we have a 2 BHK joint flat from the first floor. So let's see this. This is also very good space. You can see the whole highway. The metro will be passing from this side. It will go in Mirabandar. This is also a very good room. We have 2 washrooms over here, ladies and gents. The light is dim, sorry for the inconvenience. Here also we can see the highway gents washroom, ladies washroom. This washroom is also big, but no lights as I told due to lockdown. You can see the place, but you can visit it anytime. Do contact for more details Mursalin Petiwala. I'll mention everything in my bio. You can see, you can check it, you can call me anytime. You can see everything. Your light is dim, so let's not go in that. This is your space again. We saw the door, we entered from there. We entered on the left. We have one more door. Now let's go ahead. Yeah, we are going out. This is one more door. Here the light is dim. There is a storage room over there and one more room over there. This is your room again. This is your Mirabandar highway. This is a storeroom. This is also a very big room. Your metro station, your Mirabandar busy road. A very good option to own a very good hospital and take a long lease. This is the staircase from where we came up. This was the entrance. This was the big space. You can see this very spacious floor. Do contact for more details.